Hello everyone, welcome back. In one of my previous videos, I told you guys how much I enjoy to show people the moon and the planets, right? So one of my friends from the YouTube community did come across that video and he was generous enough to send me a gift. Yeah. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this package and let's see what's inside. It is the first time that someone is sending me a gift. And it happens so it has come from UK. This package was sent to me by Chris from the channel DIY Astro. If you haven't checked out his channel, I definitely recommend that you do so. He does some crazy unboxings, and if you want to learn more about astronomy, I think his channel is something that you should check out. As I said, this is the first time that we're gonna unbox something in this channel, so let's do it. These are eyepieces for my telescope, and as my friend Chris pointed out, it's very important that you have good eyepieces if you wish to see more through what you have. Even through a small telescope, if you have good eyepiece, then it means that you'll get to see more out of what you have. I really want to take the telescope out and show you guys the views that I get through these eyepieces and kind of compare how they fare against the ones that came bundled with this telescope. But as it turns out, it's cloudy, I checked, so we are not gonna stargaze today. Hopefully I'll make a follow-up video to this one comparing these eyepieces with the ones that came bundled with my telescope. But do stay tuned for a special video that I have teamed up with Chris on how to choose your first telescope and how to get started with the astronomy. That video is going to be dropping soon, so please do subscribe to this channel so that you get notified once that video drops. So that's all guys, I hope you enjoy this video. So until next time, this is me, a striving amateur. Goodbye.